Hey everyone, it's Deer from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. If you haven't seen the latest Dell display and peripheral management software, you are missing out. This is the latest version as of September 6th, 2025, version 2.1.1.12. It is your one-stop shop for all things peripherals that are connected. You'll see that on this system that I'm using, I have many in my office here. This has got my WD-22 TB4. We did launch new smart docks, so you could be using one of those as well. I have my brand new SL525 wireless speakerphone, my MS900 that I absolutely love, my KB900, and my daily driver, the WB3023. On this particular setup, I do have an Alienware display, but I do have my Dell Ultra Sharps also on the other side here that would show up if I was using that system. But you are able to configure your peripherals, change some settings here. My camera is being used by another application, so don't worry. But you can change, all of the settings that you do need for your webcam if that's what's plugged in. My keyboard, I love this thing. I use it daily. You can change your collaboration keys, how you interact there. My MS900, my absolute favorite mouse from Dell. This is the MS900. You can change your DPI settings. This thing can go all the way up to 8,000 DPI, which is just mind-blowing. You do have customization. And then the new speakerphone, which I've already done a video on. But check it out if you are using the software. It is your one-stop shop for all things. You can also look at updates, pull your software. If there is a firmware update that does need to happen for the Dell peripheral management software, or even the individual components, they would be listed here. I just went through and updated all of my peripherals over the weekend. So you'll see that they're not showing that there is a firmware update available, but check it out. We do have our new management portal where some of this integration has moved into Intune, manage.dell.com. Check it out. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.